Hey guys, Zach here, and today we're going to be playing Star Wars Battlefront. This is my new YouTube channel that my brother made for me. He's the cameraman. So, yeah, it's going to take a while, so let's just pause the video until we get on.
Hey guys, so we're back.
Okay guys, so we're back. I'm going to be a TIE fighter.
A toy fighter.
Okay, I just skip that. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, God. Yeah. I already know all this. Yeah. I already watched all the movies. I'm not very good at this shooting one, but I'll try. Okay, so I see a couple of these over there. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below.
Our cousin has already subscribed to our channel.
So we have 1 subscriber.
So far.
So you can comment down below, subscribe, or like the video. Boom, upside down, it just happened. I don't care. Let's see.
Just remember, Zach, we can't make the video too long.
Oh yeah, you guys, we're probably not gonna make this very long, so
Let's make it to about 9 or 10 minutes.
No, you can't remember that. That was too long.
No, that wasn't. That was our first Nocturne Totem one.
Oh yeah, that was on our different one, Number 10's YouTube channel.
Yeah, so that's probably our most popular YouTube channel, considering the views and
maybe the gaming channel's gonna be the best actually. Both of me and Wes's gaming channels are gonna be the best ones. Guys, I bet I can only do this with one hand.
what the hell?
Well, now he's not locking. Oh, he's locked on me again.
Please don't shoot me. Daddy, please don't.
Oh! Stupid one, yeah. Tiger, whatever that guy's name is. Who cares about him? He can go die. Yeah, so, next time on Wesley's vlog channel.